Okay, today's recipe we're going to start making some delicious okra, and this recipe goes well with a lot of things I'll explain to you as we go through. But first, let's light up some incense that I got from Whole Foods. I love this. It's going to set us in the mood, and let's start with some organic jeera mustard oil. While that is heating on low heat, let's cut the onions. I love organic onions. These are yellow onions. I'm using two yellow onions, and this is why this recipe is so great, because you don't need much items. You just need okra and onions. That's it. We don't use tomatoes even in this recipe. So chop your onions while your oil is heating on low heat, and we're good to go. That's all you need. I use frozen okra because that's all I could get. You can use fresh or frozen, but just make sure you thaw your okra in the meantime. Okay, here I'm done. Let's keep it aside. Our oil is ready. I love mustard oil. It's the oil of India. It has a lot of health benefits, and the taste it gives is just second to none. So just add your onions at this time. Organic turmeric, and I use all of the jeera organic products, so I love the quality, and they just never disappoint. Just love the taste, the consistency of the quality, and the ethics that they put into their products. So saute on low for a few minutes. Here I'm just showing you just a few minutes of sauteing, just till turmeric kind of cooks a little bit and onions start, wilting a little bit. Looks like they're almost done. The onions have softened. So now I'm going to add the spices. This is a little bit of garam masala, red paprika, coriander powder, and cumin powder. So adjust the spices according to your taste. But in this one, I would put equal amounts, so just like more cumin and coriander powder. And garam masala goes very little bit in this recipe. We're making it very simple, and okra tastes amazing with very little spices. Kind of odd to say this, but it tastes great with less spices. And that's about it. We're not going to add anything else, but we're going to add one more powerful ingredient at the end. So I'll show it to you during the later part of the video what we're going to add. Here I've just thawed my frozen okra and just putting it directly into the pan. Mix all of your spice mixture, the onion mixture, the oil should come and coat okra very well. We want to make sure that every bit of okra gets the spices and the oil, and we want to make sure that it cooks well. So just mix it a little bit. And here is a little bit of organic amla powder. So okra usually does really well with some tart or sourness added to it, and usually we add some dry mango powder, but I like to add amla powder because it has benefits. The dry mango powder hardly has any benefits, so just add a little bit of amla in your okra recipes and you're good to go. I added some water to get the scrapes off the spices, and now I'm just going to mix it. That's it. Cover and make sure it's on low and let it cook for a good 10 minutes. Check it, And now you can see I'm scraping off all of the spices. You want to make sure you get it out. And it looks like okra is almost cooked, so it has softened up a lot. The color has changed. The spices have become dark brown now, and so have the onions. Excuse me. And then I'm adding organic Himalayan sea salt. Always add salt at the end when you're cooking okra. Otherwise, okra will leave a lot of water and will become kind of like gummy, and you don't want that. So that's why the salt is added at the end in okra recipes. Cover it for 4. So there is your okra, and we have cooked a very simple yet delicious meal, which you can enjoy with tortillas or on the side with some naan, quinoa, rice, anything you like, with some lentils. Look, check out my lentils recipe. It goes really well with this, and that's about it. I absolutely love this recipe. It's full of fiber, vitamins, minerals. It has amla and it has mustard oil and turmeric, and that's just delicious. So give it a try. And here's a little bonus. Here it is some quinoa, cauliflower, organic kale, and some brown rice and lentils that I've also cooked for my beloved dogs. So they're also waiting for their dinner, but the dogs' food needs to be cooled a little bit more, and we are all ready for our dinner. So here's some food for my little ones. They eat completely homemade diet. I just wanted to give you this cute little bonus. All right, bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe and please do leave some comments. This is a new channel and please let your loved ones know about it too. Help me spread the word and make sure to like the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Until next time, see you.